Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this painting section, I am going to show you how to paint a beautiful floral on a ceramic plate. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. For this painting, I am using heavy body acrylic colors from Liquitex. All the material details are given in the description. First of all, start by painting the stem using a liner brush. It will help you in getting a clear idea on how and where to place the petals. Try to avoid using of too much water or mediums while working with ceramic or glass. Along with the heavy body acrylics, I am using few colors from Deco Art. Start painting the petals using round brush number 3. You can try with any size round brush, depends on the size of the petals you need. I have given all the color details in the beginning of the video and in the description box. You can use the same size brush for smaller and larger petals. It depends on how much pressure you are applying to the brush. Start creating smaller petals first, then come to the bigger ones. While painting the petals, you can leave few space in between. It will give you more real look and feel to the floral arrangements. If you have any doubts regarding this painting, please feel free to ask. You can give more darker tones when you go underneath the paintings, because later we will add more highlighted petals, so it will help you in getting that color contrast while we having a dark background. One thing I need to say about this heavy body acrylics is like it's very thick and it's having a very good pigment, so while working with heavy body acrylics, it's give very opaque finish to the painting. This painting is for a decorative purpose, so after the painting is fully dried, you can use a spray varnish or liquid varnish to protect the surface. You can follow the same method for the rest of the flowers. I am making lighter tones to highlight few petals. One thing you have to remember while highlighting is like don't apply too much highlights to flowers. You need darker tones and lighter tones. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this painting, please feel free to ask. If you have any suggestions or feedbacks, please comment below. Following the same method as I done before. You can use a liner brush to give more detail and minor works to the paint. You can either use a flat brush or round brush for this leaf painting. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.